Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to easily withdraw Sunnywaves token. First is to check supported withdrawal options. Ensure the platform you are withdrawing from supports Sunnywaves token withdrawals and identify its supported blockchain network. Second, get your destination wallet address. Open your Web3 wallet. Add the Sunwaves token to your wallet by importing its contract address if it's not already visible. Copy your wallet's receive address for the same blockchain network as the token. Next is to withdraw the Sunwaves token. Log into the platform using your credentials. Access the platform where your Sunwaves token is stored. Then navigate to the withdraw option and go to the withdraw section and select Sunwaves tokens. Enter the details that are needed and confirm withdrawal. Lastly, wait for the completion. Blockchain transactions usually take a few minutes to process but can vary with network congestion. Use a blockchain explorer to track the transaction with the hash provided. And that's basically it.